Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Audio channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to switch Facebook to dark mode. Before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Facebook application, and then you can click the strip of the upper. Can click settings and privacy, and after that click on the settings. Scroll down until you click the dark mode here and click on until the round is blue. Okay, this is a change about the light to the dark. Okay, this is a tutorial how to switch Facebook to dark mode. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.